Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to install Python 3.12.3 in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. We also run first Python program. So let's go to our video. First, go to the any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. Here type Python and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the python.org. Open the first link from the python.org. And Python website is open. Here go to the downloads. Here we find downloads. Go to the downloads. In downloads, here we find download for Windows. Click on this Python 3.12.3. If any version, any latest version is available after that, click on that latest version. I click on this Python 12.3. It's download on our PC. It takes few minutes. So be patient and wait for a few minutes. It's download now. Go to the show in a folder. Minimize it. Drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find Python website, Python installer. Right click on it. Click on run as the administrator. Click on the yes. Here we find Python installer. Install Python 3.12.3. Here we find main thing. Use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Check this. Also check this. Add a python.exe to path. It is a very IMP. Add a path to our PC. Here we find two options, install now and customize installation. We go to the customize installation. Here we find pip and the next is IDE. This is very IMP. Check this too and click on the next. I check all and click on the next. Here we find install Python 3.12 for all user. It's installed on all user or available for the your all user on your PC. Check this and go to the here. Here we find install. It takes few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds. Our Python is now installed. Close it. Next step is check Python is perfectly installed on our PC or not. Go to the start. Type cmd. Click on the command prompt. In command prompt, type Python space hyphen version and hit enter key. It show Python 3.12.3. That means Python is perfectly installed. Next is Python shell. Go to here py, type py and hit enter and Python shell is now visible. Here type print. I type my name. And hit enter. It's showing my name. Now close it. We go to the start now and type ideally. We also install ideally. So I type ideally. Click on the ideally. Here we find 3.12. Ideally Python. Click at here. Ideally is ID to run Python programs. Here I print something. I print hello world. You can type anything and hit enter key. It's print hello world. Go to here file and go to the save as. And I save it on the desktop. You can save it anywhere that you want. I save as a test. You can save as any name that you want. And it's automatically go to the py. It's go to the .py extension. It is automatically add .py extension. Click on save and we see in few seconds. Here we find test with .py extension. So guys, this is the simplest way to install Python in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.